Ready to rumble? Today we're pitting TikTok Shop against Temu in the ultimate e-commerce showdown to decide which platform deserves your hard-earned cash. First up, product selection. TikTok Shop leverages the power of viral trends, offering a constantly changing inventory often promoted by creators expect to find trending beauty items, gadgets, and fashion pieces. Temu, on the other hand, boasts an absolutely massive catalog. We're talking everything from clothing and electronics to home goods and pet supplies, often at shockingly low prices. Speaking of price, Temu is aggressively competitive, often undercutting TikTok Shop significantly, but remember to factor in potential quality differences. Next, shipping. TikTok Shop's shipping times can vary wildly depending on the seller. Check each listing carefully. Temu typically offers pretty fast shipping, especially given the distance items often travel. Keep an eye out for free shipping deals too. Customer service is crucial. TikTok Shop can be a mixed bag. You're often dealing directly with individual sellers that can be good or bad, depending on who you get. Temu has a more centralized customer support system, which generally means faster response times and more consistent service, though not always perfect. Finally, the overall shopping experience. TikTok Shop is integrated seamlessly within the TikTok app, which can be incredibly convenient if you're already browsing there, but it can also be distracting. Temu's dedicated app is straightforward and easy to navigate, focusing solely on shopping. It's less integrated into your social media, which some may prefer. So, which platform wins? Honestly, it depends on your needs. If you're looking for trendy, creator-driven products and convenience within TikTok, Shop might be your jam. If you want a vast selection and rock bottom prices, Temu is hard to beat. Do your research and happy shopping.